Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. What you're about to see is the 2025 Corvette Adventures Parade, so buckle up. Click the notification bell, thumbs up, stay tuned. Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. The 2025 Corvette Adventures Parade is underway. Look at them come. Beautiful cars. Love them. Beautiful. I expect over 100 cars to come through, folks. C6s, 7s, and 8s. I know there's a few C5s and a couple C4s coming too. Need to be spoken for this event, folks. It's just Corvettes as far as the eye can see. Hopefully you see your car. Look at the nice green one. They keep coming. Here we have a C8 and a C4 that was on the track last night. C7 convertible. C5 imputer after the C8Z. Beautiful. I like that color combination. Here comes another lime rock green. There's actually 3 convertibles here today, the same color. That's rare. They keep coming, folks. Another C4, folks. And I see another C4 coming. A 91, it looks like. There we go, give us a rev. And just don't stop. Beautiful day for a parade. Love the supercharger whine there, in case you were wondering what that was. There's an E-ray in black, I love it. And that's going to conclude the 2024 Corvette Adventures Parade. 2025. It's Corvette Dan on YouTube, CorvetteDan.com. Check it out.